Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are again with another video. Today's topic is difference between real number and imaginary units. As we know, complex number equation will be z equals to x plus yi, which is written in a rectangular form, where x is a real number and y is an imaginary unit. Let's begin with the first question, where a is z equals to 2 plus 3i. So we have to state what is a real number and what is an imaginary unit. So as we know, x is a real number in this equation where 2 is written as a real number. So we have to state what is real number. So the real number is equals to 2, and we have to say what is imaginary unit. Imaginary unit is equals to 3, which is written instead of y, which is 3. So we have stated the imaginary unit and the real number. Let's do another question. Where b is 3z equals to 3 minus 2i minus z. So before we further do, we need to make z as a subject of this equation. So 3z plus z equals to 3 minus 2i and minus z plus z. So minus z plus z will cut each other, and we are going to left with 3z plus z is equal to 4z equals to the same 3 minus 2i. So we have to make z as a subject of this equation. So 4 is going to divide by both sides. 4z divided by 4, and also 3 minus 2i divided by 4. So 4 1 the 4. We left with z is equal to 3 minus 2i divided by 4. So before we further do, we need to know that 4 is a denominator with both number, so we have to write it separately. So we are going to write z equals to 3 over 4 minus 2 over 4i. So we can cut with each, we can cut 2 over 4, 2 1 the 2 and 2 2 the 4. So we are left with 1 over 2. Now we are going to write it separately, where real number is, as we know, x is 3 into 4 is a real number, and imaginary unit is negative 1 over 2, or you can say half. So we are done with 2 questions. Let's do another question. In this question, re, which is a real number, is 5, and im, which is imaginary unit, is 4. And question is write z in rectangular form. So as we know, x is a real number and y is an imaginary unit. Let's write it in a rectangular form, where z is equals to, as we know, x is a real number, and in this question real number is 5. So we are going to write 5 instead of x plus, and as we know, imaginary unit is y, and in this equation y is 4. So we are going to write 4i. So we have done with the last question as well. Hope you understand these questions. If you understand, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.